Oh, huge. Puss. 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 Oh, so cute. Oh, and a cat. Okay, viewers, well, this is the phone line input board off that fax machine that I attempted to do a repair on, which was completely dead. I think the phone line goes in here, and you got these little neons here, which suppresses the voltage. That's a 302 volt rated neon. This one here, I'm not too sure about that one. It's pretty burnt up in there. I might give them a quick test on the NST. Just variac the NST and see what sort of effect we get inside these. Little, I think that's a transformer there. That's a input inductor of some description. A little, there must be a relay, I think. Oh, well, yeah, relay. Some transformers, Rubicon electrolytic capacitors, update couplers, more update couplers. I think that's another one there. That's pretty much all there is on here, not much on here, and some surface mount stuff. Alright, let's get these neons off, and the main interesting parts that I want. Give them a quick test. Okay, viewers, got the variac on the NST. Let's get this little neon a test. Turn the variac up slowly. Oh, that is cool. .100 volts input. Turn the voltage down. Bare minimum is about 35 volts, roughly, to strike the arc in this minimum. To jump that little gap inside there. Turn this bloody light off. That is awesome. Alright. Unplug the variac, safety first, so we can test the other little neon. Okay viewers, let's give this little burnt out one a test. That works. Plasma inside that one. Minimum 20 volts. And it's already starting to be excited there. Awesome plasma inside that. Pretty camera. Very sensitive this one. I've only got it on about 5 volts roughly, and it's already starting to pick up some the voltage of the NST. Obviously, because it's stepping it up, so it's obviously a lot more than 5 volts in the output. Obviously, interesting. Gotta love little neons. Let's set it up as a CFL. Can't really see much, too much light, just flickers, nothing very interesting there. Alright, let's see if it actually still works. Hopefully the driver wasn't affected. Alright, let's give it a check. Let's plug it in, this one here. Yep, it still works okay. The driver circuit wasn't affected. Okay, viewers, this is inside a VN Commodore 3.8 litre V6 ECU, or engine management computer. Not much at all. Some surface mount components. That's obviously all the main connection there, the outside of the box. And this must be the programming port for testing and everything from the factory when they program all the information into it. And here's this little module here. Now I think some cars, ex-police cars or something, get issued a different type of one of these chips that just plugs in. And I think it's a performance booster. I think it's performance booster or something. Everyone's always talking about it. If it's police chip, that's good. Get that car or go good. They've always got that attitude about them. And there's a Delco ATFY 4410 chip. Might as well pull this out and have a look. Looks pretty interesting in there. And some sort of product in gel circuitry in there. So I'll pull this blue cover off. I've had this apart before off camera just to do a bit of learning on. Well, let's pop this off and see what it looks like underneath. Looks like you can unplug stuff under there and put your own chips in there. And the viewer's got that cover off. This little circuit board here, it's got some like rubberized coating on it, protecting those delicate circuitry there. There's a main chip in there, there's no reading on that. Various surface mount components there. The main ceramic chip 980 1606 9300, and it's got ALDP 8943 1122. It's got some ICs under there. I have to take that off carefully and see what they are. Okay, viewers, well, these things are actually soldered. They've just put dabs of solder on there, mainly probably for anti-vibration, so when you hit the bumps your car doesn't stop and not work all of a sudden. So a little, if I can just get what they actually say in those ICs down there. See if I can get the right angle here. Okay, if you want to see if I can get these numbers made out. First one, 160872223. And it's got 4946. And this on the right here, 160872224. And it's got 8943. Don't know, can't really see a manufacturer's logo on it though. Must be custom chips for this application. Got some various integrated circuits. We've got a A94701 45148 made by Delco Korea. AC Delco are the major company for the electrical side of General Motors. There's another one there. These must be the main two brains of the circuit here. A94703 54995 Delco 466 Korea. That must be for the engine fuel mixture and everything like that, air to fuel mixture. And these do all the firing order, any injectors and everything. And gearbox, VS onwards, the gearbox started to come into these computer circuits because they were computerized as well. So this is mainly all to do with the engine or these chips. Got 519K 9001 9153 1607 49435. If I turn the light on, maybe yeah, that's better. Now you just can read it without me having to read it out. Alright, we've got another little one here. That makes it easier. Another one there. This little IC here. And these must be the main, these are probably the hardest working components because they're on a heatsink. So these probably do all the maybe the high current switching for the ignition and everything else and things like that, the sensors, the oxygen sensor and all that sort of stuff. We've got a crystal here. Not going to tear this thing down too much, and I'll try and keep it in good original condition in case I might end up giving this away to someone else who has a bad VN computer. Just never know. Okay viewers, let's look at the surface mount components. It's mainly resistors, capacitors, little Zener diode there. Nothing much to these earlier ECUs. Alright, let's look at the ignition module. I've already pulled the cover off this very carefully. Now the coil packs sit here. This is actually a gel. So be very careful with this. There must be a driver transistors in there. There are module plugs in there. I think some of the circuitry in here is what picks up on your registers as your tachometer. It's all part of this circuit as well. Just look, unbelievable. How this is all how they would have made this. Yeah, just all unnamed components here. Yeah, some integrated circuits there. There you go. Interesting stuff. Okay, viewers, I put this all back together. That'll be enough for now, so thanks for watching.